What is up, y'all? I am with my homie David today. He rides that Ducati Scrambler 400, and we are doing a little comparison between my CBR500R and his bike, so should be fun. Well, this is going to be interesting. How does it feel? How does it feel versus like being upright on yours?
More intimidating.
Alright, well, you heard it there first. So we are going to switch bikes. I am going to be on the Ducati. It's got that nice Ducati hiss. Man, this is different. So I've been wanting a naked bike for quite some time now. I've only had my CBR for less than a year, but these handlebars feel so different. Make sure he's not slipping it. But this seating position is very, very comfortable. Holy crap. I could get used to this. I definitely like the throttle response on my bike more. Maybe it's just because it's a bigger engine, but I feel like this one you got to really wind it up. But it, you know, just for a 400, like, it feels good, it sounds good, you know, nothing wrong with it.
No offense, but I hate this.
Why?
You're leaning over. I don't know.
Yeah.
I can feel it. There's so much pressure on my palm.
Yeah, grip the tank with your legs. Man, the wind really gets to you on this. Man, it takes so long. I'm full throttle. It takes so... I think that's probably maxed out right there. And his speedo is actually wrong. He needs to get that checked out or retuned. And not that my bike is outrageously fast or anything, but this thing takes so long to get up to power. But I thought being, you know, coming from a street bike with the windscreen, I thought going to no windscreen, like, the wind bothers you, but it's not bad. So ergonomically speaking, I'd say this bike far outweighs my CBR just in comfort, and the grips are so much nicer. I don't know if it's just that Italian flavor that they get over there in Europe, but this thing feels good. You know, it doesn't feel super heavy, but it feels sturdy. The suspension feels good, and it's not like I'm just freaking ripping it either, but you know, just overall it feels good. So lightweight, so nimble. It would be awesome to have like a cafe racer, like just take it wherever you want on the street, just ride to a trail, take it off in the dirt, just go absolutely anywhere. All right, well, we are gonna switch back, and that is fun. My whole goal, honestly, is just to ride as many bikes as I can. I just want to experience them all, how different they feel, their pros and cons, but for now, we'll get back on the CBR if we can find neutral. What'd you think?
In some ways, incredible, and then like, I don't know. Just like the...
It's very, just aggressive style seating.
Yeah,
dude, and like that is absolutely nothing compared to like an actual super sport. Like, yeah, so when I rode Stevens, I got back on my bike and it felt like yours.
Really? Just
because like you sit, it feels like you're sitting in a chair. But your bike is so comfortable.
I like yours, the vibration ain't like yours, more like it takes the...
Yeah, it's very smooth. And I feel like my throttle response is better too. Yours takes a little while. But I don't know if that's just... Yeah, exactly. I don't know if it's just because your engine's a tad bit smaller. I'll take mine over yours.
I would do the same. So that,
as in yours over mine?
No, I would take mine.
Race me.